Hello, today I will show you amazing program which is free and alternative for wallpaper engine. This program is called Push Video Wallpaper. The official website link will be in the description. This is the website. You click here, download video wallpaper, click it and the program will download. This is our program. Let us install it, run, accept and install. It is free and easy to use. Let me show you. Okay, finish. Here is our program. We open it. At first it will choose videos from YouTube. It will choose videos from YouTube. If you want to choose a specific wallpaper, you tap to this icon, plus icon, add, and go and find your wallpaper. Here we add it. As you see, click on it and it starts to work. You can add a lot of wallpaper and it will open it one by one. This is a good program, easy to use and free. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. See you on another video.